Introduce highlight features or overview summary for SAMHONG spiral coil binding machine. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Next, highlight features or overview summary are include. Multitasking Pro, securely bind 4x1 coil documents with ease using our manual punch and electric bind machine. Punch up to 20 sheets and bind up to 190 sheets, electric, or 500 sheets, manual. Office Beast Mode unlocked. Easily adjustable depth margins, 2.5, 4.5 and 6.5 mm, and side margin control ensures accurate hole punch alignment, no matter the thickness. Our set of 46 fully disengageable pins allow for punches on pages smaller than letter size. Effortless use, the electric coil inserter makes binding coil documents fast and simple. Operate the manual punch with a full handlebar designed for left-handed, right-handed, or two-handed operation. Punch bigger sheets, use the open punch throat for punching holes in sheets larger than standard 8.5 x 11 inch. Great for legal, tabloid, A4 sizes and more. Can be used for custom work planners, scrapbooks, mini books, school projects, journals, and more. Quickly and easily bind your books and documents, perfect for homeschool use and for managing any type of small office-related project. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.